Good day. We're going to show you a new e-ticketing app that the Walbeck Group has to offer. The application is called Libra Sentinel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to request access to the site, how to log into the site, and once on the site, how to export tickets and run reports. For starters, if you would like to become a user, please send an email to ticketaccess@walbeckgroup.com. When supplying that request, please give your company name, the user's first and last name, and the user's email. If you are an engineer inspector needing tickets for a Walbeck project, please supply the name of your Walbeck project manager and the name of the project. If you are a material purchase customer, please indicate if you want access to tickets for material purchase from Payne & Dolan or Northeast Asphalt. We will allow access to all of your tickets associated with your customer number. Upon receiving your information, we will respond to your request via email and supply you with your username. For your first login, the password will be the word password. You will then be prompted to create your user unique password. To access the Libra Sentinel site, enter www.librasentinel.com into your favorite browser. Once on the home page, click the login button at the upper right-hand corner. At this time, you will be prompted to enter in a company name, a username, and a password. The company name will be Walbeck PAD for any Payne & Dolan tickets, or Walbeck NEA for any NEA tickets or Northeast Asphalt tickets. For this example, we're going to use Payne & Dolan. The username is going to be J Shorts. This username will be supplied to you via email upon your request. The next step is to enter in your password. On your first login, your password will be the word password. Enter password, hit login, and you are now prompted to enter in your user-specific password. This password does not have to contain minimum characters or alphanumeric. It's a very generic password that you can use. Hit save, and you are now logged into the Libra Sentinel e-ticketing app. You will have access to tickets and the ability to run reports for certain tickets. When clicking on the ticket button, what shows are the tickets that you have access to for the past 12 hours. For this particular example, we are going to search for tickets for the last 7 days for job number 253495. Scroll down, locate that job, and then hit OK. This is bringing up all of the tickets associated with that project in the last 7 days. To view the ticket, simply click on the ticket number and a version of the e-ticket will show up. The view of this ticket is different than the actual ticket, but contains all of the pertinent information that is on the original ticket. If you are wanting to export that ticket, you simply choose the ticket that you want to export, click on the box next to it, hit the export button, and the ticket has been exported. Now in this screen, right-click, and you will give the option to print, which at this time you can save to a PDF or print to a specified printer. If you would like to export all of the tickets, simply click the Select All box. All of the tickets will be selected, and you can go through the same process of exporting those tickets, printing or saving as a PDF. You will notice that some of these tickets are colored orange. These tickets are voided tickets, tickets that were voided by the scale operator. Now let's run a report for that same project. To get back to your main home screen, click on the checkered box in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the report button, ticket reports. Now you have a number of options that you can fill out to sort your ticket. For this particular example, we're going to choose the date of April 27th. And notice here, not only do you have a date range, but you also have a time range. By setting this time range, you can capture the day's production that you are looking for. For this example, we're going to set the time range from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. The job number again is 253495. There are a couple of options for running the report. You can have the report sorted by job, plant, asset, which is a truck, or product. For this particular report, we're going to keep the job function selected and hit run report. This now puts in a report form all of the tickets that were delivered to that project within that selected time frame. At the bottom left-hand corner, you will notice that there is a summation per quantity type for each material. If you would like to export this report into Excel, simply click on the download button in the upper right-hand corner, and an Excel report will appear in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. We hope you have found this instructional video to be informative. We also hope that the Libra Sentinel e-ticketing application is user-friendly and efficient for you to use. However, if you do have questions, please do not hesitate to email us at ticketaccess@walbeckgroup.com, and we will certainly get back to you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.